Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by getting Garageband and your input ready. Plug your USB mic or interface into the Mac, then launch Garageband and pick the voice template. Once done, open Preferences Audio to confirm the input device and set the sample rate to 44. 1 kHz for voice. Make sure monitoring is on if you need to hear yourself. That helps you control distance and plosives. These steps ensure clean capture and stable levels before recording a single take. Now you configure tracks and level your voice. Create a new audio track and assign the correct input channel, then arm it for recording. Speak at performance volume and adjust gain so peaks sit near -6 dB to preserve headroom. Next, insert a noise gate to remove low hum and a gentle compressor to even dynamics. You want clarity without pumping. Once these are in place, run a full take to confirm balance and note any problem frequencies to fix with EQ. You're ready to record and finish the project. Capture several takes and use GarageBand's take folders or comping to choose the best phrases, then trim, apply crossfades, and remove breaths or noise. Use subtle EQ to reduce boxiness around 200 to 400 Hz and brighten with a gentle boost above 4 kHz. Once satisfied, bounce the project to WAV or MP3 at 16-bit/44. 1 kHz. If levels distort, reduce input gain and re-record. Clipping can't be fixed in post.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.